Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon, and welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update number 211 for Monday, 19th of January, 2026. I hope you're all well. I hope you have enjoyed a good start to the year and this rather eventful start to 2026. It's been quite some kickoff already, hasn't it? For those of you joining us for the first time, the Monday Market Update is just that. It is me flying through as much as I can share with you in the next 25, 30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within the FX indices and commodities markets, followed by a look at the charts of interest, and then a look at the live market. It is not a signal service. It's not trade recommendations. It is just me sharing with you what might be of relevance or use to yourself in your own endeavors. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading and investment decisions. And for those of you who perhaps want a little bit more help or a little bit more insight and mentorship, there'll be a small group mentorship running starting next week, basically focused on trading FX and the swing positions. That'll be called the Dollar Edge, all right, which is probably quite apt based upon how the world is going at this particular moment. But it will basically run for Q1 of 2026, so it's going to be kind of 8 to 10 weeks, just basically looking at trading fewer higher quality setups from the 4 hour charts, focusing on the dollar, sterling, and euro markets. If you've got a question, just ping me a question. You can email me there, or there's a bit code, or that QR code will take you there. Yep, and another one, SAAB. All right, SAAB. So of course, Cold War vintage guy here. You can clearly get my age group. All right, most of us will associate SAAB with either really nice cars or the Viggen fighter jet. All right, but once again, SAAB have done really fantastically well. And once again, remember I was saying that price was kind of pulling back the sort of the kind of Q4 for the best part of Q4 of last year, we were kind of pulling back, and everybody was thinking that there might be a peace plan or a peace outcome in the Ukraine. That has clearly gone by the by, and what we can see is all of that kind of European rearmament sentiment has just ploughed its way into European defence companies there, and it's absolutely kind of thrown its way higher, right? So you've got basically not only the Europeans, but then in particular the Nordic countries, all right, and SAAB, that they are tucked into everything in terms of land systems, radars, air defence, airborne early warning. Okay, they've got the things in lots of pies. And invariably they are doing well out of the back of this, and even today they're up. I think what's that, about 4%, isn't it? So there we go.